Hello guys, to make balloon snowflakes we need 6 160 balloon. So today I'm going to use this pump. This pump is called 160 pump. Alright, for this type of balloon. Alright, step number 1, we grab one of the 160 balloon and then we pump about 10 pump. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Tie the balloon. Grab another one. We do the same. Pump about 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Tie the balloon.
Don't really have a reason why, but I don't even have to try. This feeling is here to stay. Let's keep it going all night, don't stop till we see sun.
So step number 2 is we're going to grab each of the balloon and then we're going to tie this. Yeah, I'm going to tie this like this. Grab this.
I just wanna dance it off.
So the next step is we're going to do this. We're going to put them together like so. In the middle, put them together. Alright, so we're gonna get this. So the next step is we're going to create a pinch twist. By doing so, we create about 1 finger pinch twist. 2 3 pinch twist here. Then the next one, we're going to create another pinch twist down here. 2 3 1 2 3. Right, so we're going to get something like this. 1 pinch twist here and then the other one is right over here. Alright, the next step is we're going to make about 1 2 3 4 finger bubble here. 1 2 3 followed by 1 finger bubble. 1 2 3 and then we create a pinch twist. 1 2 and then followed by all here. Create 1 2 3 4 finger bubble. 1 2 3 1 finger bubble here. 1 2 3 make a pinch twist. Repeat the number 3 4 5 and 6.
I guess I'll call and ask around to see if someone's sent for the win. And we all got different highs and no one likes to wait. No patience. It's a death dance. We ain't got nothing to lose. Staring up is what we do.
If the pop happen, so we simply grab another new 160 balloon and then we pump it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, then tie this and then simply gonna attach it in the middle. Create 1 2 3 4 finger bubble. 2 3 followed by 1 finger bubble. 1 2 3 and then a pinch twist. 1 2. Okay, so we're gonna get this thing like this. So the next step is we're going to measure about 1, 2, 3, 4 finger bubble here, and then we're going to attach it to the pinch twist here. Okay, then the same 1, 2, 3, 4 finger bubble, and then we're going to attach it here. By doing so, 1, 2, 3, 4 finger bubble, attach it to the pinch twist. One, 2, 3, 4. Attach to the pinch twist. 1, 2, 3, 4 finger bubble. Attach to the pinch twist. And the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Attach to the pinch. Alright guys. So we're gonna get something like this, like a wheel, alright? So the next step is what we're gonna do is we're going to measure about 1, 2, 3, 4 finger bubble here. And then we're gonna twist 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna make about 3 finger loop, 1, 2, 3 finger loop here. 2, 3. We're gonna block twist, and then we make about 1 finger loop, 1 finger loop, and then we're gonna create another 1 finger loop here. And then after that, this one I'm going to attach it right over here. And then the last part is we're going to create about 1 finger pinch twist. Okay, we'll make 1 finger bubble first, followed by a pinch twist. 1, 2. Excess, we're going to cut this excess. One, we're gonna tie this around here. Okay. So the next one, this one doesn't have enough air, so we're gonna cut it here. We're gonna add air. I think that's enough. We're going to tie it here. We're going to measure about 1, 2, 3, 4 finger bubble here. We're going to twist 1, 2, 3. We're going to make 1, 2, 3 finger loop. 1, 2, 3. Lock this here, and then we're going to make about 1 finger loop. And then we're going to match the loop, the size of the loop here. Give a little bit of squeeze. Attach it here, like so. And then we're going to create a pinch twist. This one we straight away can wrap it all around, like so. And then the next one, same. We're gonna create 1, 2, 3, 4 finger bubbles here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to create 3 finger loop. 1, 2, 3. Lock twist, followed by 1 finger, about 1 finger loop. Match the size. Okay, Then this one, we're going to add the air since it doesn't have enough air. Okay, make sure. Okay, I think it's enough. Just a bit of air, and then we going to attach it here at the pinch twist, and then we create another pinch twist by doing so. Then wrap it around here. So basically we're going to repeat all the same process as the first and the third one. Okay, doesn't have enough air, so we're going to add air. So it's popped just now. So what we're gonna do, we just grab the excess. We just do this. Okay. One more time. Let's see. I think that's enough. Do this. Cut. And then we're gonna attach it right over there. So adjust. Alright guys, so our balloon snowflake has completed. That's all for today guys. This is not goodbye, and see you in the next video.